Now guys, it's that time of the year where, hey, we're looking at what are we gonna do for the holiday cooks. Now, of course, the turkey has become that protein of choice when we're talking about our holiday meal, but you know, we don't wanna always do the old full turkey and do it like mom used to do it when we were kids. No offense to moms out there at all. But hey, we want something a little different. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Today, right here on Barbecue Boulevard, we're gonna do a Texas Cajun honey butter turkey breast coming right up. If you with it, let's get it. All right, so first thing to get started here on this recipe is we're gonna make a little butter injection we're gonna use here. And I've just got some butter melted down here. And this is a full brick of grass-fed butter from Costco, actually. To this, I'm gonna add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. And we're probably looking at about, about 3/4 of a tablespoon of each. So we're gonna get that all dumped in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and combine that all together really well. Now, if you happen to have a barbecue rub that you're using and there's no granules in it that are too big to go through your injector, feel free to add it. Mine is a little too big to go through my injector, so I'm going with these guys right now. And so this is what our butter injection is gonna look like. All right, so here we've got our turkey breast. We got it out of the package. Any excess skin that may have been on there, so I went ahead and trimmed off. Feel free to leave it on for yourself if that's what you want to do, but we've got these guys skinned here and we're gonna go ahead and get them injected. And so what I'm gonna do is flip this breast over here, and we're just looking at basically the bottom side of it, and we're gonna go ahead and get it injected. And I'm just gonna go into this turkey breast a little bit and kind of, put your fingers right over the hole so you don't have that squirting back at you. So we're gonna just go around and inject a little bit here and keep moving and get this turkey breast, I guess, nicely plumped up. It's not really a science to it. I just try to get some spread all over the place. I know that there's competition cooks out there that have a method to how they do inject their proteins. And I'm not one of those guys, so I'm just straight backyard. I do what I do and make it work. So basically just get your bird or your turkey breast here, inject it as best you can. All right, so we've got this turkey breast all nicely injected. And yeah, we've got 2 more to do. So I'm gonna get these other 2 injected and then bring you back here in a minute. All right, so we've got our 3 turkey breasts all injected here, and now we're gonna get them seasoned up. Now today I'm gonna be using the Uncle Steve shake, and I'm gonna be using the Texas Cajun. So we're gonna get a good dose of Texas Cajun all over these turkey breasts. And this is a phenomenal tasting rub straight out of the bottle. It's got a nice little kick of heat to it there, as well as your associated flavors with Cajun style flavorings. So that's why I'm using it, because I happen to love that flavor. So after I get the rub applied, we're just kind of patting it in. All right, now in addition to our Texas Cajun, we're gonna go with some 16 mash black pepper, just because that's that Central Texas flavor I'm always digging. So I'm getting that put on here, and yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna get this pepper put onto the other side of this turkey breast, and then I'll meet you at the grill. All right, guys, we are at the grill. Now today we're using our backline smoker backyard offset. We're fueling it with harder charcoal, extra large chunks of lump charcoal, and we got post oak wood today, guys. Now we're gonna be running our pit today between 250 and 275 degrees, and we're just getting our turkey breast onto our grill here. Now you want to kind of form it up here when you put it on the grill, just so it can kind of cook evenly for you. And then don't worry if you have any spots that you create when you put it on, we can just touch it up with the rub later. All right, so we're gonna get the rest of these on. We've got 3 big turkey breasts going on. All right, So turkey breasts are now on. Now that we got our turkey breasts on, we're just gonna kind of touch up our turkey breasts here. And that's pretty much gonna be it. So again, we're gonna pat that in, and we're gonna get this grill closed up and let these turkey breasts take that smoke bath. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Alton, aka the Dawgfatha, and this is Barbecue Boulevard, where my aim is to help elevate your backyard grilling game. Now, if you're enjoying what you're seeing here, or at least finding some value in what you're seeing here, please consider giving me that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and enable that bell so you get notified every time we upload a video to this channel. All right, so let's get back to this cook. All right, so we've just hit the 1 hour mark, and we're gonna take a look at our turkey breasts and see how they're progressing. And they're looking good. We're gonna call it done at 165. That's what, you know, FDA is gonna say it's gonna be safe for turkey breasts at 165. So we still got a little ways to go. I can tell that just simply because I've done this enough. But at this point, if you're not comfortable with understanding where your temperatures are, feel free to take a temperature check. So we'll go ahead and do that just to kind of see where we're at right now. And I'm showing 136 degrees there. I'm sure you guys probably can't see that with this sunlight and the way it is. This one's at 146 degrees. And this one's at 130 degrees here. So we've got it coming along nicely. We put together our butter that we're going to be glazing this turkey breast with, and simply we took the rest of the butter injection that we had earlier, and we put it on our stove. We kind of boiled it to heat it to kill any you know, the bacteria, whatever that may be associated with that raw turkey. And then to that, we went ahead and added some more of our Texas Cajun rub and some honey, and that's how we've got our Cajun honey butter here that we're going to be putting onto our turkey breast. So we're going to go ahead and get some drizzled on here, and I'm basically just going to make sure I get some on each one of these turkey breasts here, and it just tastes really good. And so I know it's going to be really good on this turkey, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out once we're done here. So I'm going to get these turkey breasts all glazed up here, and then guys, I'll bring you back here in a little while. So when you smoke your turkey or your turkey breast, guys, what is your rub of choice when it comes to the holidays? Pop it in the comments section down there and let's talk about it. All right, we just hit the 2 hour mark, and these turkeys are done. And since I had you here last time, all I did was I just came back every now and then and kept basting down these turkey breasts, and that's really it. So again, we hit the 2 hour mark here to get our turkeys or our turkey breasts smoked to our completion, and now we're going to get them off the grill. Now I'm going to get these guys off and let them rest, and I'll meet you guys at the cutting block, and we'll check them out. Hey gang, do you listen to barbecue podcasts? Well, if you do, come check us out on the Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast. We've got some phenomenal guests that's appearing on our show, and I think you're going to enjoy it. And alongside of that, we've got Harder Charcoal as one of the official sponsors of the Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast. So come check us out, the Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast. All right, so we got our turkey breast off. We got it rested. Now I wrapped it in aluminum foil with some butter and just allowed it to rest down in temperature. And now we're at the block, so let's check out this turkey breast. All right, so here we've got our beautiful turkey breast. Still looks plenty juicy and moist here. And again, we cooked this for about 2 hours at 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit on our offset smoker, or backline to be exact. And this is what we got. Smells phenomenal. That Texas Cajun rub is just really smelling good. So we're gonna go ahead and cut into this, and we're gonna see what we got. And I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle here, so we can get a cross section and take a look there, and you can see plenty of juicy there. You can see that butter just coming out of this turkey breast, looking phenomenal. Let's get this out of the way, and yeah, let's see if we can cut some slices off of here, and let's see what we're working with here. All right. So there's our beautiful turkey breast there. I'm gonna cut a more manageable piece here that I can bite on camera for you guys here. But here is our beautiful turkey breast. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, cheers, guys. Damn it, man. Ooh, that's good. Mama, please don't hate me for making a better turkey than you. Wait, did I really just say that? Now that turkey breast is absolutely on point, absolutely moist, juicy, flavorful, smoky. I mean, you name it, all the notes are hitting it. That Texas Cajun is phenomenal. It's got a nice little kick on the back end, not super spicy at all, but got a little bit of a kick on the back end. And then the honey butter on top of it gives it that little bit of sweetness against that savory. I mean, it's just an awesome blend. Man, I don't even really know what else to say about it, except you guys have got to try this. And if you do, make sure you pop it in the comment section down there and let me know you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. But for me, it's turned out fantastic. So I'm gonna get off camera here. I got some turkey breast to get into, obviously, and I can't wait. So if you enjoyed what you saw here, found some value in it at least, make sure you check out what I got right there and click on that subscribe button right there. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. About to get into some smoked turkey. Peace!